Hello and welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right. All right. So today I want to show you a very nice 251 in the key of F. All right. So in the key of F. So 251 goes is the number system. It's called the number system. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So if we say 251, that's 251. That's always like the progression that ends every song. So I'm going to use this song. So I want to show you nice chords you can use for your 251. Nice jazzy chord. I've taught you these ones before. So, but listen to the one I'm going to show you. So it goes then my fair lady, or my fair lady. So it goes like this. So the two chords, we have on the left, we have your 2, your 6, your 1, right? 2, 6, 1 on your left hand. So on your right hand we have a 4, 6, 1, and 3. So 4, 6, 1, 3. Why I'm giving you the number system is so that you'll be able to just use this on any other key without having to transcribe or transpose or anything. So the 5 chord goes like this. We have a 5 and 7 on your left hand. On your right hand, we are in the key of F. Don't forget. Alright, so if you have not clicked the subscribe button, please do that now, and you can also tell me the country you are watching from. God bless you in the comment section. So we have a 5 and 7 on left. On right we have a 4, sharp 5, flattened 7th, sharp. The sharp 1 sounds funny, so I'll say flat 2, minor 2nd, minor 2. So can you see that? 4, sharp 5, flattened 7th, minor 2, that's flat, right? So with 5 and 7 on your left hand. So if you're in the key of F sharp, that would sound like this. So if you have 5, 7, 4, sharp 5, flattened 7th. So on F, if we go like F sharp, sorry, sometimes I make mistakes with the note calling. So I do. Right, I'm teaching my children. I'm teaching my students here to be very great piano players. All right, so that's it. 5, 2, 5, then 1. Then the second 5 I did was something like this. So on left you have a 5 and 2. Some people will have stopped watching. They are just missing this one now. Yeah, it's always good to watch the video to the end, because sometimes there are always bonus at the end. God bless you. 5 and 2 on the left. On right you have a 4. We have a sharp 5, flattened 7th, and then this time around we have a 3. If I were you, I can even have the flat 2, but if it's going to be too much, just omit it. So, my fair lady, or my fair. Don't forget, you have over 500 piano lessons. Wow! On this channel. Yes, I'm not lying. I mean, 500. This thing I've just played now, I've taught it on this channel. All the tutorials are on the channel. So make sure you click the subscribe button and then search for the videos, or if you can't get them, just ask me in the comment section. I'll send you the link. God bless you.